Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up your HubSpot account, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am on the main page of HubSpot, and HubSpot is a CRM/management tool that you can use to enhance your business and better manage your business. Now, what you need to do to create your account, once you're on the main page, you can get a demo or get started for free. I'll just get started for free. I already have an account, but I'm going to try to make another one. And here, as you can see, you need to create your account. Now you can log in with Google, sign up with Microsoft or with Apple, or you can just go the email route and do it that way. However, I'll just go with Google, select one of my accounts. And as I've mentioned, I already have an account here. And as you can see, you can continue with this user, but pretty much all you need to do if you select other services, it's going to pretty much just instantly log you in, create your HubSpot account. It's going to ask you a couple of questions to best set up your dashboard and your HubSpot experience. However, you can also just skip over all of that and just start fresh without any intervention from the program, from the AI, or from anything else. Or if you just go the email route, you just enter your email, enter your name, surname, everything that is relevant in the information fields, and make your own password. And then you'll need to go to your email and confirm your email just to make sure that that is your account and to access all the benefits that are there in the free version. You can also upgrade your subscription to something else and gain several other benefits. But since I already have an account, I'll just click continue. And as you can see, this is my account. And as you can see, just click continue with this account. That's not going to look like that for you because you're making a new account. But once you create your account, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to take you to your dashboard. You can go into workspaces and go into prospecting, or you can access the help desk. If you have the Service Hub Professional subscription, you can from here on go through all of these tabs over here and enter all the information that you need and use the CRM, use the marketing tools, use the content tools, commerce tools, etc. And all of these that you see that have an orange arrow up are within certain packages or subscription packages that you need to access them. However, you can use it freely as well if you are satisfied with the free tools. And that is basically all there is to it. It's very simple. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.